We head for the sky, it's alright. Our wings wouldn't fly, it's alright. If we are crashing down again, pieces of love, it's alright. Scattered in mud, it's alright.
Alas, the day has come. Sheila loves the word alas. What is today?
It is pick up and learn about our RV day.
Our new lifestyle.
Yes.
Are you excited? Nervous?
Yes. All of the above.
We are a little bit of everything because we have, it's like one of those moments where you drive by on the highway and you see these places and you wonder, who goes there? And here we are. We're here. We're one of those people.
We're here.
So I am excited. We are picking up our wonderful Grand Design Momentum. Gonna tell them what it is?
No, let's show them.
You want to just show them?
Yeah.
All right, we got to go in for our orientation. So we bought the truck. She's all washed up. She's all pretty. Got the airbags on it. Ready. We are a bit speechless. We just finished the walkthrough. There's a lot.
Yeah.
So, but as you can see, what we chose was the 395 MS. We went with the less storage on the outside.
We did.
But we really like the choice. But there's a lot. This is like a big, huge learning curve.
We went with this one because actually when we laid out the storage for the inside, it actually came out to be better in regards for the
daily living.
Yeah, for daily living, and
So,
we'll just figure out.
We're gonna figure out a modification on the outside for like the other stuff.
Yeah.
It'll be all
And the
right.
garage was bigger, so
Yeah, it's fine. It's fine. Everything's fine.
it'll be good. I think we made the right choice.
Yes.
We're just a little overwhelmed at this exact
It's
moment.
a very overwhelming process. But I have to admit, it's going to be interesting.
I think it's going to be fun.
This is definitely switching it up. It's a lot.
I don't know. I'm kind of warm bodied.
I like this. I do. It's just a lot to remember.
Then what? So then we get the motorcycle and this.
So this comes down, and then I drive a motorcycle up.
You take this pin out on each side, and let's strengthen.
All right, we are finally wrapped up. We're hooked up. This is Darren Mills.
Hello!
He's with Wonderful Lifestyle RV, and he was the one that educated us on the Momentum, right?
And the Grand Design,
And the Grand
absolutely.
Design. So
Absolutely.
he listened to all our needs and everything like that. How long you been here, Darren?
I've been here since 2012.
Yep. And you sell quite a few of these.
I do real good.
He does real good. They even give him a pair of
free goodies.
I believe you are the salesman
Of the
he
year,
is.
back to back,
Yeah,
and
yeah.
salesman
Look at
of
that.
the month, 4 out of the last 5
We
months.
go
So-
with only the best.
There
We
you go.
only go with the best.
Look at the vehicle.
Now,
on
if
the
he
truck.
gave us this jacket because we just bought that, that'd be nice too.
I can get you one.
But we really enjoyed our experience here, and if
Yeah.
you're in the Kansas City area, I believe Grand Design's fairly picky about who they allow sell their. and
Don
you-
Clark handpicks who can sell his product.
And
yes,
are
and
you
we-
the only one in Kansas City that
We're the
sells?
only one in Kansas City. Next one's 250 miles apart, away from us. In fact, we've been top 5 Grand Design dealer in the nation for the last 3 years. We're number 1 in Missouri.
Yeah, and that's why when Sheila was doing your research, she was like, well, we're only going to be able to see this in one place. So here we are.
Yep.
And they've taken really good care of us, answered all our questions. You replied to emails and phone calls really quick, which is
Thank you.
important. And so we've enjoyed our experience a
And
lot.
this is an unpaid plug for him because he just took a ton of money from us.
But they got a free pillow.
Yeah, we got a free pillow. That's true. That's true. So we just thought, since our experience was good, I'd just give him a shout. And I think the truck looks good with that rig.
Yeah,
I mean,
Great.
it's good.
we've got a lot of learning to do. So,
Yeah.
but Darren, he gave us his cell phone number so we can call him whenever we want.
Absolutely.
And they're going to
It's on the pillow.
It's on the pillow. So if you're looking for a rig, come on out here and at least check them out. He's very educational on what the different rigs are and what your needs might be, and kind of go from there.
Yeah, he helped us pick out one that was just for us.
Just for us. So, all right.
Perfect.
Thanks, Darren. Appreciate
Thank
it.
you for the business.
Now I got to go
Thank
drive
you.
this thing. Good luck, right?